I'll be right back.
Rachel, 1 minute.
Can you wait here for me instead?
Why? Where are you going exactly?
I need to grab something really quick.
Grab something? What do you need now?
I saw a nice bag over there.
A bag right now? Seriously, Rachel?
Yes, it looked really nice, honestly.
Okay, I'll wait right here, for you.
Thank you. I'll be very quick. Promise.
You said 1 minute. I'm timing you.
Okay. Back in 1 minute.
Should I maybe come along with you?
No, just stay here, please.
Is everything okay, Rachel? You seem rushed.
Yes, I just need 1 minute, honestly.
People always say, 1 minute, honestly.
I really mean it, this time, Daniel.
Okay, I'll check my phone while waiting.
Perfect. Please don't move from this spot.
This spot? What if I want coffee?
No coffee. Just stay right there, please.
Okay. I'm not moving, Rachel.
Thank you. Back very soon, I promise.
That was more than 1 minute, Rachel.
Really? How long was I actually gone?
Exactly 7 minutes, not 1 minute.
7 minutes? That went by so fast.
It always does, when you're shopping.
Did you get the bag, at least?
Wait, did I say bag? I meant shoes.
Shoes? You said bag just now.
I changed my mind. People do that.
Next time, I'm coming with you.
Next time, bring more than 1 minute.
Deal. Let's head home now, Daniel. Can you wait here for a second?
Wait, where are you going, Emily?
I just want to check something in that shop.
Check what exactly? Right now.
I saw a coat in the window earlier.
You always say 1 minute, Emily.
I promise, this time, it's different.
You said that last time, too. Honestly.
Just sit on that bench, Josh. Please.
Fine. I'll wait right here. For you.
Thank you. Back in 1 minute.
1 minute means 30 minutes. With you.
Not this time. I really promise.
What did you actually see in there?
A coat. I've wanted one for weeks.
Which one exactly? Show me a picture.
The green one, near the front window.
Okay. I'll wait here. Patiently, then. Patiently means waiting without getting annoyed, right?
Yes. Something you're not very good at.
That's not very kind, Emily. Honestly.
I'm just being completely honest right now.
Okay. Back in 1 minute. Remember? 5 minutes have already passed, Emily.
They only have one size left.
So, only one size? Which size?
Small. It's exactly my size, Josh.
Then you should definitely just buy it.
But it's a little expensive, honestly.
How much does it cost? Exactly.
$95. Maybe too much.
You've wanted it. For weeks, though.
You're right. I'll go buy it.
Sometimes you just have to treat yourself.
Treat yourself means buying something special, right?
Exactly. You deserve it, Emily.
Okay, coming back. With my coat, now.
That was definitely not 1 minute. But wow, look how nice this coat is.
Worth the wait, I have to admit.